Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make admin on WhatsApp channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and then you can see update, so just click on it and here you can see your channel. So after this, click on profile and then scroll down and here you can see invite admin, so just click on it and then here you can see your list of contact. So search for your contact which you want to as a admin. So after selecting, click on it and then click on OK. After this, click on done. So you can see invitation is sent. So after this, so when your friends will accept your invitation, you can see view invite, so just click on it. When your friends will accept invite, so new admin will be made. So guys, in this way you can make admin on the WhatsApp channel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.